So guys, welcome to today's tutorial. Today I'll be showing you guys how to fix the payment method for the Buy Me a Coffee. So this is it. So if I go to Spiros, try .gt.tc. So this is the site. So when you open the site like this, you can scroll down. It's either you sign up this way. So I'm just going to sign up. Let me just put a name. I'll just put a name here. Sammy John. Then for the email, I'll put Sammy. Password. Then I'm just going to create account. Good. Now, once I create the account, right, I can go down and click on the second blog post. Now you can see the asset is locked. You can see. So all I have to do is just to click here. And as you can see, I'm subscribed. I'll just go back and click I've subscribed. It will automatically redirect me to the page where I'll be able to generate the card. So as you can see now, the Buy Me Coffee is here. So just click on support and unlock. So this is going to open the Buy Me Coffee page. You can see. So you can put the amount you want to, and you put your email. Right. Good. Now you can say anything, or you can just leave here blank. Then click on support. Right. Now this is going to process. You can choose your bank. You can put your Cash App. You can use this to make the payment. Now once the payment is made, you come back here and click on I have paid, verify my payment. So here you just put your name, Sammy, or you just put it, yeah, John, Sammy John. Alright, then the email you use, this is very important so that you'll be approved automatically. Good. Then the amount, you can choose to leave it. I'll just put it. The date, you can leave it optional. All these are optional, right? Because it's going to use this email to verify in Buy Me, right? Buy Me a Coffee, to verify automatically. Then you just set it to submit verification request. Now you can see your verification request submitted successfully. We will review and approve your payment. Now you can see you already have a pending verification request. Okay, we will typically review your request, and please check back soon. So if you check back again, if I refresh this page, you can see if I had made this payment, this would automatically open. So if I go back and click on the blog post and click on I've made my payment, it will still be showing this. Why? Because I have not made the payment, right? I've not bought the coffee. You can see if you choose to buy the coffee, right? Maybe you didn't make the payment the first time, you can just choose to click here. So this is the file here. Once you buy the coffee successfully, you'll be able to download the file, the card, which you will use in generating different cards. Here you will see the card generator button here, right? So thank you so much. See you guys in the next video. Bye. In the next video, I'll be talking about how you can fix the number verification. You'll be able to fix the number verification, and by fixing it, you won't be able to insert number, and you can use it to generate multiple accounts. So stay tuned.